How to connect iPhone to Sky Glass TV. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect iPhone to Sky Glass TV. So let's get started. First things first, make sure the SkyGo app is already installed on your iPhone or iPad. We'll be using AirPlay screen mirroring, so both your iOS device and Sky Glass TV need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A stable internet connection is key to avoiding any interruptions. Now head over to your iPhone or iPad and swipe down to open the control center. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. You'll see a list of available devices. Select your Sky Glass TV from that list. Before doing this, make sure AirPlay is enabled on your Sky Glass TV. You can find this in the TV settings under Connections or AirPlay and HomeKit. Once connected, launch the SkyGo app on your iPhone or iPad and start playing your favorite content. It should now stream directly to your TV via screen mirroring. That's it, super simple. You can also use this same method to cast from a MacBook, Windows PC, or even an Android device, provided you have access to your SkyGo account. And if things don't go smoothly, no worries, Sky offers a virtual assistant at sky.com that's ready to help with any issues. That's it, and thanks, I'll catch you all in the next video.